Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this little toy I got for my toddler. I got this a while ago and my toddler has been obsessed with this thing. So this is a spinning tower. They give you 3 little balls that when you shake makes noise. My toddler also loves these little balls. She takes these everywhere. So you just, let me show you right here. Every single level has a hole, so it's gonna spin around until it gets to the bottom. I'm gonna show you now. So you can place it right here, and there you go. So yeah, it is such a cool little toy. This thing keeps my toddler entertained for so long. She has a lot of toys. And this one, for some reason, she's obsessed with this one. Don't ask me why. She loves it. And I think it's just because it is kind of cool. Even I like to see the little ball going around. And yeah, the quality is very good. She takes this thing around the house everywhere. She's always walking, holding this little guy right here, this little toy. The head can also be removed. She loves playing with this little head. But yeah, good quality. The plastic is very thick. I love the colors as well, and I think that's probably why my toddler likes this toy so much, because it's colorful. And yeah, such a great idea, and this can be a very cool gift, especially if you have a toddler around.